Okay, in the interest of full disclosure on the project, we're going to show you what we're going to be using to cut our styrofoam for the Stunt Pack build. I picked up the Floracraft Styro Cutter Plus at a local craft store. It uses a heat element to cut through styrofoam, cellular foam, and whatnot, I hope. I'm going to find that out. We're going to plug it in here in a minute and see if it'll carve through these materials, how well it does. Back in a moment. And it's been about 30 seconds, a little more in fact, and we're going to see how it cuts through our cellular styrofoam, cellular foam. It's recommended you plug it in, turn it on, heat it up for 30 seconds, and it should cut. It says let the tool do the work. So let's see what happens. Okay, it's getting a little goopy. But it cut right through, leaving a little residual stuff on there, which I'm sure I can wipe off with some kind of cloth. Let's use a paper towel and hope we don't get burned. Double up the layers, and it does come right off the wand. Okay, good to know. Again, it says let the tool do the job, so it's going to cool as you're cutting through material. But that made a nice clean cut through the cellular stuff. I'm pretty happy with the result, honestly. That broke apart where I glued it before with some crappy glue. Anyway, here's what it's really designed for, is cutting styrofoam pieces anyway.
Check it out. I'm very excited. I'm very pleased. I love this plan!
There you have it. It's got a nice little thing to set it down on, and you come away with a piece. Kind of cool. I think it does the job I need it to do. One more try, though, through the thick stuff.
This is it! This is definitely it! I can't wait to get a look at this thing.
That I'll be using on my build. Residue, but a nice, clean, even cut. And I think it makes a good surface for gluing. Wipe off the excess carefully. Probably should be using a cloth for this. But basically it becomes clean again. And you're ready for your next cut. I think it'll work.